In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails in Yahoo Mail. We'll walk through the exact path in the Yahoo interface so you can quickly resend something you've already sent without retyping a thing. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right and click sign in, then log into your account. You may be asked for a quick verification code, just follow the prompt. Once you're in, click the mail icon at the top right to open Yahoo Mail. On the left side of your mail, you'll see folders like inbox, drafts, and spam. Click Sent to view emails you've previously sent. This is where you'll choose the message you want to forward. Scroll or use the search bar to find it, then select it and click to open the message fully so you can see its contents. If your left sidebar looks collapsed and you don't see Sent, click the menu icon to expand the folder list. With the email open, find the action icons near the bottom or top of the message, look for the right-facing arrow labeled Forward and click it. If you don't see the forward icon, make sure the email is fully open rather than just highlighted in the list. Yahoo will create a forwarding draft that includes the original content and, in most cases, any attachments that were sent with it. If an attachment doesn't appear, you can reattach it from your computer before sending. Formatting and images from the original message are typically preserved. Now, place your cursor in the To field and type the recipient's email address. You can add more than one recipient if needed, and you can use CC or BCC for visibility control. It's a good idea to add a short note at the very top to let the recipient know why you're forwarding the message. The subject line will usually start with FW, and you can adjust it for clarity if you like. Before you send, scan the message for details you don't intend to share and make sure any attachments are correct and up to date. When everything looks good, click Send. You'll see a brief confirmation and the forwarded message will appear in your sent folder. If you have several messages to forward, just repeat this process for each one. And remember, the same forward action works for emails in your inbox if you ever need to pass along a received message. That's all there is to it. Go to Yahoo, sign in, open Mail, head to Sent, open the message, click the forward arrow, address it, and send. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you forward emails in Yahoo Mail with confidence.